Hey everybody, this is Mr. Nieves. I teach fourth and fifth grade social studies. I am making this video as a little Google Classroom tutorial for people to help them maybe navigate it a little bit better, to understand it a little bit better. And I understand that everybody is kind of on different levels with this, so we'll try to make it as basic as possible for you. Okay, so first things first, if you look on the screen here, this is kind of like your home page for all your various classrooms. You're going to see all the different classrooms here. This is just kind of how mine looks, right? Um, Now, here you can kind of click on this the little three lines right here. That's your main menu, right? So if you click on the little classes home, it looks like a little house, really. Um, it'll bring you right back to this page. So I'm already on this page, but if you click it, it'll bring you right back here. A few other things you can kind of notice down here is you see all the different classrooms that your child is kind of enrolled in. And I'm going to use my fifth grade social studies virtual classroom as an example right here. Okay, so if you click the classroom, it'll bring you right into the page for it. Few things that I want you to notice, I guess, is this is probably the biggest thing, or one of the biggest things. But this kind of tells you what's upcoming. Now, of course, we don't have school Monday and Tuesday, and maybe the rest of the week. Who knows with these storms? But this is kind of let you know what's going to be. I guess you could say what's going to be coming up. Um, Also, what I want you to know is that if you click the classrooms tab right here, it'll bring you into what's kind of going on for the week. So we have virtual week 1, which would be next week, obviously. And for our virtual students, that's going to start on Monday. But like we said, with the storms and everything. Now, we're going to also be doing it to where you might, and this is just an example for me, but I have questions for each day of the week. Sometimes it's one, or for example, I'll take Monday, right? Um, you kind of using this as an attendance, really, throughout the school. It's just like a question every single day, to where you're going to just submit it. I already have one person who turns it in, and that lets the teachers know that you get credit for, I guess, being there, because you're not really, right? Um, Now, every teacher is going to have this set up a little bit differently. I'm just giving you an example of mine. I have one assignment here. Now, if you notice, probably, and I'll go ahead and I'll take the pen right here. You see all the various due dates, okay? Things that are going to be coming up, and you're definitely going to want to keep up to date with that. Um, you can also, let me switch back to my pointer. If you go back to the stream right here. Now I set it up to where if there's anything important, I'm gonna kind of post right here in the stream, and that's what other teachers are gonna be doing as well. I have my email real quick here. This is where the class code is for anybody who does need it. Um, if anything is graded, of course, you would be going ahead and clicking right here, and it kind of shows students who kind of already submitted things and whatnot. Um, this is kind of just shows me who's already in my classroom. I sent some emails out or whatever, just to let parents know that you know, for those who didn't attend the virtual class um, tour that we had, I think it was maybe Thursday. I can't remember exactly, but if you did not, I sent a few emails out so you can kind of go ahead and join. I feel like Google Classroom is pretty basic. I mean, it's not that hard to navigate. You have um, this is just various settings you can play with. This is pretty important as well, right here. If you click the little waffle right here, it has everything you need, right? You have your Drive, you have your Classroom, Google Docs, if not Sheets and all that kind of stuff. So just wanted to make a little brief video for you, and just to kind of give you an idea how things kind of work. If you have any questions, just make sure you email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, signing out.